Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1938 Royal O model vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The margins are located behind this flip panel, and you just push the button and move it. I'm just going to move this left one on the edge there to 0, and the right one stays around 75. That's about the length of a page. And this is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got 2 adjustable rollers. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip that switch forward, it skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. Switch from black to red is the switch on the right side here. Flip it all the way to the left. It prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. When you have it in the middle, it prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is black. Move it down and over to the right. It doesn't print any ink at all. It just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. We're going to move that all the way to the left for red. Beautiful typing machine, very nice and glossy black, beautiful looking machine all around. It's really nice, very popular model, one of the most popular model typewriters I believe of all time. And you can type on it daily. Very nice typewriter, well designed, well manufactured, really nice. You can tell, basically you can tell how good a typewriter is based on its weight versus its size. This one's pretty heavy for its size. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier, load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the top right of the keyboard. Works great. Margin release on the top left. When you get to the end of the margin, it blocks you from printing. If you hit that margin release, it will allow you to go all the way to the end. That works good. Open the hood, all the brand new ribbons loaded on the left, so it's pulling to the right clockwise. If you want to switch that direction, you flip the switch on the top left here to the left, and it'll pull counterclockwise to the left. Push it to the right, it pulls clockwise to the right. And that's the direction we want it to go. On the right side, behind the knob is the carriage release, very smooth. And then on the left side, behind the knob as well, is another carriage release. If you push in this button on the end of the knob, it disables the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You let it go, you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. And the same concept with this lever on the top portion. It disables the spacing. You push it back and you get the clicks. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.